In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Wise to Wise. Whether you're sending funds to a family member, friend, or even another account of your own, Wise makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each part thoroughly. First, you'll need to log in to your Wise account. To do this, open the Wise app if you're on a mobile device, or visit the Wise website on your computer's browser. Enter your login credentials to access your account. It's crucial to keep this information secure and not share your login details with anyone to maintain your account's safety. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Next, you'll need to decide from which currency you wish to send funds. Look at your currency balances and choose the one you want to utilize for this transaction. This step is key, as the currency selected can impact the transaction fees and exchange rates. With your currency selected, it's time to initiate the money transfer. Locate the Send option on the screen and click on it. This will take you to another screen where you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. Here, you have a few options. You can enter their email address if their Wise account is linked to it, or input their phone number if that is connected to their Wise account. Alternatively, if you know their Wise local account details, you can use these for the transfer. Wise even allows you to add a new recipient by choosing Add a Recipient. This gives you the flexibility to enter their details manually or upload a payment link, which is handy if you're doing this for the first time. After you've set up who the money is going to, you need to specify how much. Enter the amount you wish to send. Wise gives you the flexibility here too. You can either enter how much you're sending or specify how much the recipient should receive. The choice is yours and can be based on your preference or requirements. Next, decide on your payment method. Wise offers several options. You can opt for a bank transfer, which is often the most cost-effective choice. If you need the transfer to go through faster, you might choose to use a debit or credit card, but be mindful that this may incur higher fees. If you have a balance in your Wise account, you can use that as well, making the process even smoother. Before you hit send, it's always a good idea to take a moment to review all the entered details. Double-check the recipient's information, the amount, and the payment method. After confirming everything is correct and to your satisfaction, click Confirm and Send to finalize the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully sent money from Wise to Wise. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.